only thing better than pursuing one professional qualification is doubling it up with something equally as valuable and going for two. If you're someone who has started your CMA journey and you're wondering, okay, this is the field where I belong in, but I would like to double it up and have two professional qualifications under my belt, then this video is for you. If you're someone who has decided to take up a professional qualification, be it any ACCA, CFA, CPA, CMA, then we have dedicated videos on each and every one of them, which you can watch first before coming to this video again and watching this one to understand your perfect combination of courses that will suit you. I'm Rashesh Majatia, I'm with Zell. On this channel, we make a lot of these videos which help budding professionals such as yours. So stay subscribed and make your journey simpler. And of course, please like and comment on this video so that this video reaches as many professionals as you all and help them. Right, so getting into today's video, guys, we will talk about all the possible qualifications that you can combine with your already valuable CMA and double up and have multiple professional qualifications that add so much weight to your CV that you don't have to look back. The first combination that we'll be talking about is CMA with another accounting major. Those are courses such as ACCA or CPA. So if you've started your CMA journey, you've done with your part 1 and you've identified that yes, an accounting major or working in the accounting profile would suit you the best. If you see yourself in the long run working in audit, accounting advisory, financial reporting, then considering an ACCA or CPA would be ideal for you. In your CMA, you will already learn about US GAAP and IFRS, which are both standards which you cover in ACCA and CPA as well. So not only will you be studying more in depth what you've already made a base in, but also exploring other depths such as taxation, financial management, and much more. If you look at your CPA, a CMA plus CPA makes it a very strong US qualification, which will make you a very ideal candidate to serve your US clients. Whereas if you look at a CMA plus ACCA, then you're mastering in a US and a UK qualification, which gives you a base to serve a wider pool of clients and be a very strong candidate for the company alike. If you also look at ACCA in terms of how much time will it take you, then a CMA gets you 3 exemptions in ACCA, which leaves you with a further 10 papers that you have to do, and that will allow you to get 2 qualifications together. Again, if you're wondering about how that qualification will go well, then you can always check out that separate video and get that complete clarity. Similarly, if you're looking at a CMA plus CPA, then CPA is simply 4 papers that you can do in 12 to 15 months. And again, a CMA has already set up a strong base for you, so it's very easy for you to get going. Next, guys, let's talk about CMA plus CFA. You've done your part 1, you've identified that accounting is your profile, then yes, an ACCA or a CPA. Now, if you've done your part 2, you've understood that finance is your domain, or specifically core finance is where you see yourself working. Say in the equity markets, say as an investment banking position, anything along that domain, then yes, combining your CMA with a CFA qualification might be a very good decision that you will make. CFA essentially has 3 levels, and immediately after your level 1, you're starting to add more and more value to your CMA qualification already. Eventually, if you look at doing all 3 levels of CFA, then not only are you limiting yourself to the management accounting side of the world, but you're looking into going into full-fledged core finance, where again, a resume like yours having both CMA and CFA makes it a holistic profile that CXOs of companies can consider for them to work in their teams. That's about CMA and CFA. Next, guys, we'll be talking about the final qualification for the day, which is combining your CMA with an MBA. In an MBA, again, you can always consider combining with an MBA finance. You can look at an MBA in an international business or any MBA which allows you to specialize in something which CMA already sets your base in. There are 2 things to consider here. If you've always aspired to go for a strong, prestigious MBA, then having a CMA already starts ticking off a few things that you require. A strong candidate will need a lot of these things to get into a prestigious MBA college, and your CMA is already putting you steps above the others. Second, if you've combined your MBA with a CMA, not only are you looking to work with the leading CXOs, be it your CEO, CEO of the world, but also pave the way for you yourself to be a CXO of a company tomorrow, or find your own company, your own startup, and work your way up in the business world. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I'm sure you are now thinking about which qualification works best for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. If there's any other combination that you've been looking to pursue and you are wondering or are looking for certain clarity, again, you can comment and get your answers clarified, or you can check out our video description, get your contact and reach out to us and get your queries solved one-to-one. Thank you.